Video creation software for YouTube. If you're searching for a smart video creation software, something that can help you tell a story in a fast, efficient way, you should definitely watch this video. YouTube is a huge source of traffic for the people that know how to create engaging, fun-to-watch videos. If you want to sell physical or digital products, real estate or your own services, this video creation software can help you achieve just that. On top of it all, it is powered by an artificial intelligence algorithm. This algorithm is capable of selecting the best images and video footage for your video. It also features a huge library of media you can interchange with one simple click of your mouse. There is also an audio library with plenty of music. If you are shy and don't want to use your own voice, or don't want to pay someone for a voiceover, you can use the voice option. You will get an auto-generated human voice option that will read your text, and make your videos even more enticing and fun to watch. This software can quickly generate educational videos, social media videos for Facebook or Instagram, and even video ads. Did I mention that it's really easy to use? If you know how to use PowerPoint, you will have a blast using Content Samurai. You can take it for a spin for 7 days, and if you don't like it, forget about it. But I doubt you won't, because it will make your life so much easier. If you sell anything online, this is the last video editor you will ever need. All you have to do is write the text, put it into the software, and let it do its thing. By the way, this entire video was created inside Content Samurai. Pretty cool, right? Check out the link in the description or the link in the first comment, and start your free 7-day trial today. You can thank me later. Also, if you need any help with your online endeavors, or want to develop your money skills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.